Begin in child's pose. Knees wide, sit your hips back towards the heels. Relax your arms and forehead on your mat. Give yourself time to gently wake up. Breathe in any way that's comfortable for you. Now add a side stretch. Walk your hands over to the right to stretch the left side of your upper body and your left arm. If you need more, walk the hands further to the right. Press your left hip down. In the next few seconds, switch sides. Walk your hands over to the left. Feel the gentle stretch, that lengthening in the right side of your upper body and your right arm. Keep the breath going. Take one more full breath here. Then walk your hands back to the center and turn your palms up. Notice the neck, the shoulders, and the upper back. Bring your palms together, lift your hands, bring your thumbs towards your upper back. They may or may not reach. Allow your arms and chest to be heavy towards the mat. On your next breath, release the hands down to the mat. Come up to hands and knees, tabletop, for a few rounds of cow and cat. Inhale, lift the tailbone, drop the belly, look forward. Exhale, round your back, push the floor away in cat. 2 more times. Inhale, exhale. 1 more. Inhale and exhale. Come back to neutral spine. We'll add a stretch. Slide your right arm through the left. Rest your head and your right shoulder on the mat. Press your left palm firmly to the ground. Keep it here or walk your left hand forward. If it feels good, you might reach your left arm up, maybe wrap it behind you. Find the version that feels best and stay for a few more seconds. And carefully release that left hand down. Push the floor away to lift yourself back up to tabletop, hands and knees, for 3 more rounds of cow and cat. Inhale, lift the tailbone, arch the back. Exhale, round your spine. 2 more. Inhale and exhale. Last one. Come back to neutral spine. We'll do the other side. Slide your left arm through the right. Rest your head on the ground. Press the right palm down. Help that gentle twisting action. Keep the right hand here or walk it forward. Maybe reach the right arm up or wrap it behind you. Take a few more deep breaths. In the next few seconds, release. Bring that right hand down to the mat. Push the floor away to lift yourself back up to hands and knees. Last 3 rounds of cow and cat. Inhale, arch the back. Exhale, round the spine. 2 more times. Back to neutral spine. And for the next few seconds, go ahead with free movement. Sway the hips side to side or lean in different directions. Do whatever you need to gently wake up the body. Notice how you feel this morning. Make your way back to the center and prepare for your first downward facing dog. Spread your fingers wide, press your palms down, tuck your toes under, and lift the hips up. Go ahead with any movements to stretch the back of the thighs and the legs. Make sure the head is relaxed, no tension in the neck. Allow yourself to feel your body fully in your first downward facing dog. Settle into your pose and pause for a breath. On your next inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, step your right foot forward. Drop your left knee down to the mat for a low lunge. Feel the stretch in that front left hip, left thigh. Once the legs are set, add the arms, reach them up. Stay here or interlace your fingers. Lean the back of your head on your palms and lift the chest higher. Feel a nice expansion across the front of the body. Take one more full breath. And release the hands down. Add a twist, reach your right arm up and back. If it feels good, wrap your right arm behind you. Look over your right shoulder or in any direction that feels better for your neck. And carefully release. Bring the right hand down to the mat. Step back to your downward facing dog. Prepare for the other side. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, step your left foot forward. Drop your right knee down to the mat for low lunge. Feel the stretch in the front right hip, front right thigh. Firm the glutes on that right side. Add the arms, reach them up. Stay here or interlace the fingers. Lean the back of your head on your palms. Lift the chest. Deep breaths. And carefully release. Bring the hands down to the mat. Add your twist. Reach your left arm up and back. Feel the stretch across the chest and that left shoulder. If it feels good, add on. Wrap your left arm behind you. Gaze in any direction. Last few seconds. And release that left hand down. Step back to your downward facing dog. Take a few deep breaths here in your downward facing dog. Observe how you feel and go ahead with any movements that you need. From your down dog, look forward at the hands. Lightly step the feet forward, forward fold. Feet hip distance apart, knees soft. Relax your upper body completely. No tension in the neck. Let the arms hang or cup your elbows. Go ahead with any movements that allow you to release tension that accumulated overnight. Stay a few more seconds in your forward fold. Allow your upper body to be heavy and relaxed. If you have your elbows, let them go and slowly roll up to stand. Take your time. Once you're all the way up, inhale, reach your arms up. And exhale, bring your arms behind you. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. If it feels okay, interlace the fingers. Feel that expansion again across the front of the body. Fold forward from your hips. Lift the arms up overhead any amount that you can. Let the head hang heavy as you bring the palms a little closer together and the hands away from the hips. Be gentle, no forcing. In the next few seconds, carefully come back up. Once you're up, inhale, reach the arms up for a standing back bend. Exhale, go straight to your forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, lift halfway up, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward fold. From here, step back to your downward facing dog. Pause a few seconds. On your next inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, step your right foot forward, warrior one. Plant your back foot down. Keep your front knee bent as you come up and lift the arms. Press your feet firmly to the ground to keep that lunge in the front leg as you lift the chest. Take another full breath. And transition to your warrior two, slightly wider stance, arms out to the sides. Feel the inner thigh stretch and hip opening. On your next breath, triangle pose. Straighten the right leg, reach to the right and spin the arms. Rest your right hand lightly on your shin or the floor as you reach your left fingertips up. On your next inhale, come back to warrior two. Exhale for bound reverse warrior. Right palm up, right arm up. And wrap your left arm behind you. Gaze in any direction that feels good for your neck. On your next inhale, come back to warrior two. Exhale, bring the hands down to the mat and step back to downward facing dog. Prepare for your other side. Inhale the left leg up. Exhale, step your left foot forward, warrior one. Plant your back foot down firmly. Keep the front knee bent, rise, and lift the arms. Option to add a back bend, lift the heart. On your next breath, transition smoothly to warrior two. Take a slightly wider stance, arms out to the sides. Prepare for triangle, straighten the left leg, reach to the left, spin the arms. Keep both sides of your torso long and gaze in any direction that feels good for your neck. On your next inhale, come back to warrior two. Exhale to reverse warrior, left palm up, left arm up. Wrap your right arm behind you. Keep that lunge in your left leg and take another breath. On your next inhale, back to warrior two. Exhale, bring the hands down to the mat and step back to your downward facing dog. Stay a few moments here. Look forward at the hands and lightly step the feet forward, forward fold. Feet hip distance, knees soft. Let your upper body be heavy. Go ahead with any movements, sway side to side or cup the elbows. Allow any tension in the upper back to melt away. And whenever you're ready, slowly roll up to stand. Once you're up, inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, arms behind you again. Interlace your fingers your non-habitual way. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. And fold forward from your hips. Lift the arms up. Be kind to your shoulders, your elbows, and your wrists. Let the head hang heavy. No tension in your neck. A few more breaths here. Get ready to come up. With your knees soft, come all the way up to stand. Once you're all the way up, release the interlaced fingers and reach the arms up. Big inhale, standing back bend, lift the heart. And exhale, release to mountain pose, palms together, hands to your heart. Pause and observe how you feel. Let's close our practice with a big cleansing breath. Deep inhale through your nose. Exhale through the mouth, big sigh. Set your intention for the rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining me today. Namaste.